Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 13 exponents and powers chapter. What about the exponents and power? Exponents means here see a large number can be expressed as in a short form. That time we using a power notation. Example 10,000. 10,000 we can express as in form of a power notation. 10,000 means how we can express 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many times 10 is right and multiply 4 times 10 is right and multiply we get answer 10,000. So how to express as in power notation means here 10 is how many times repeated 4 times. So we can write 10 raised to 4. That means 10 is the base, 4 is the exponent. 10 is the base, 4 is the exponent. That's why. So we can express as a 10 raised to 4. Then here one more example. 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 means meaning is 2 is how many times multiply? 3 times multiply. That is the meaning. Here base of in this question what is the base asking them? 2 is the base. And what is the power asking? Power or exponent asking them what is the power? Here 3 is the power. 2 is the base. Base is multiplied how many times? Power 3 times. Power is 3. That means 3 times we want to multiply the base. That is the meaning. For expressing bigger number in a short form we using a power notation. Using this we are going to learn about exercise 13.1. Some questions are there related to this chapter. Exercise 13.1. In that 13.1 they given first question given us find the value of find the value of first question. There is 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6. Then in this question, what is the base? 2 is the base. Then what is the power asking? What is the power in this question? 6 is the power. That means base 2 is how many times right hand multiply? 2 times right hand, 6 times right hand multiply. 6 times base 2 is right hand multiply. Multiplication 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are how much? 64 is the answer for expansion. This much big expansion. For avoiding this expansion we write as in a power notation as a 2 raised to 6. Base is 2 and 6 is the power. Then one more question. 11 raised to 2. How to do write that one? Meaning here base is 2, power is 11, power is 2. Base 11 is how many times multiply? 2 times. 11 into 11 comes to be 121 is the answer. Then next second Roman. Second Roman says that express the following in the express the following in exponential form. Exponential form. Express the following in exponential form. First question 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Here in this second Roman expansion form is given. We want to write as in power notation. The base is which is the base in this question? 6 is the base. That's why 6 is repeated. How many times it is repeated there? 4 times. That 4 where we write right on the right side topmost corner. Base right side topmost corner. We are writing the power 4. So 6 how many times it repeated? Repeated times we represent as the power notation. Then next B question. Another is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. How we can write? Here 2 bases are there. 1 is 5 into second base is 7. Then 5 is how many times repeated? The 2 times. So power we write on the right side, base right side top corner. Then 7 how many times repeated in this question? 3 times. So 7 is the base, power is 3. So 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 3 is the answer. In this way we can express. Then one more question. Same model, one more question is C question is A into A into A into C into C into C into C into D. So in this question here, what are the bases? A is there, C is there, D is there. A how many times repeated? 3 times. So we can write A raised to 3. Into C how many times repeated? 4 times. C raised to 4. D how many times? 1 time. 1 means enough. In this way we can write it. It is understood power become 1 only. Then next model question, third Roman. In third Roman they says about a prime factorization method. Express as in the prime. Express each of the numbers using exponential form. Exponential form asking. First question 512. In this way given, one number is given 512. Power notation they asking him. How to do that prime factorization? Early you learned how what are the prime numbers? Numbers having only 2 factors, one and the same number itself. Such type of number we call it as a prime numbers. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. We call it as a prime numbers. What is the reason? It will have only 2 factors, one and the same number itself. That's why they are known as a prime numbers. Then what is the divisibility test of 2? The given number unit to place is even number. We can possible to divide it with the prime number 2. Then divisibility test of 3. Divisibility test, next prime number is 3. Divisibility test of 3 says that given number throughout we adding time answer coming as the multiples of 3 or not, checking. Answer getting a multiple, adding time getting answer is the multiple of 3 or not. Multiple means we can say that number is possible to divide it with 3. Next, divisibility test of 5. Divisibility test of 5 says that next prime number is 5. You need to place a 0 or a 5 coming in. We can directly say that given number is possible to divide it with 5. So like this way we can. So first here, see 512 in this question. 512 you need to place is which number? 2. 2 is odd or a even number? Even number. That's why we can start with the prime number 2. Mind calculation or a separately division box draw and divide. 2 table 5 2 times 4 subtract 1. Next number bring down 2 table 11 5 times 10 subtract 1. Next number bring down 12 means 2 table 6. So how much we got? 256 is the quotient. Quotient write down. Again that quotient divided. Then check it, that quotient is you need to place even or odd. Yes, it is an even number. 6 is an even number. That's why next prime number we choose 256 divided with the prime number 2 1. Then 5 means 2 times 4 is the subtracted 1. Next number 16 2 table 60. So how much we got? 128. So 256 divided with the 2 quotient become how much? 128. Again we continue directly to you need to place 80. 80 is an even number. That's why we can continue with the prime number 2. 2 table 12 when it is 2 6 are 12. 2 table 8 2 4s are 8. So answer become quotient become how much? 64. Again we want to continue. Continue means you need to place once we check 4. 4 is also an even number. So again we continue with the 2. 2 table 64. 2 table 6 3 times. Directly we can do. 2 table 4 means 2 times. Again you need to place 2 and divided with the 2. 2 table 3 and not there one time 2 into 1 comes to be product 2 3 and product 2 subtraction doing the remainder 1 and second place number read together 12 2 table 12 16 again 16 is an even number 2 table possible 8 again 8 2 table possible 4 again divided with 2 again divided with 2 so answer become how much 1 it comes as a divide. Finally we reach answer as 1. So what are the factors? 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So we can question ask what the given number represent as in the power notation. 2 how many times? The base become 2. The prime in this division base become 2. Then how many times it repeated? 9 times. That 9 is right on the right corner topmost we want to write. So 2 raised to 9 is the answer. Then same another question. Same model express as in the power notation question. B question 343 prime factorization 343 L shape box draw. Again check it. You need to place 3. Is it possible to divide with 2? No. You need to place we want even number. Here 3 is an odd number. Then next prime number 3. Divisibility test of 3 says that add the given number. 3 plus 4 comes to be 7. 7 plus 3 comes to be 10. Not possible. The next prime 10 is not a multiple of 3. That's why 3 leave. Next prime number 5. You need to place 0 or 5. Here not 0 or 5. 3 is coming. That's why 3 also not possible. Next prime number is 7. Is it 7 possible to divide? Yes, 7 prime number 7 use and dividing here 4 times 28 coming 40 minus 8 comes to be 6 next place number bring down 63 means 9 times. So we can say 343 is divided with 7 quotient to become 9 14 quotient write down. Again that quotient divided with which prime number only 7 only we can cut no other tables are not coming. 7 table when it is 7 7s are 14. Again 7 is a prime number 7 is divided with the 7 only divide we finally reach answer as 1. So here 7 is how many times repeated there? Here base is 7 7 is repeated 3 times 7 is 7 raised to 3 is the answer. Then next in this way we want to solve one more question. C question 3 1 2 5. This question express as in the power notation 3 1 2 5. Here also you need to place a check. You need to place is 5. That's why which prime number it is possible easy 5 table for prime number 5. 5 table 31 not there 6 times 30. So dividend 31 and product 30 subtraction doing time 1. Mind calculation. 1 and next third place number 2 joining 10 12. 5 table 12 not that 2 times 10 is there. So 12 minus 10 become a 2 as remainder. 2 and next number bring a 25 will coming a 5 table 25 5 times. Again quotient becomes 620. Again in which prime number only 5 only possible because you need to place is 5. Again continue with the prime number 5. 5 table 6 properly not there 5 into 1 become 5 so 6 is subtracted with the product to 5 6 minus 5 become 1 that 1 and second place number read together 1 and 2 join in and 12 to 5 table 12 properly not that 2 times 10 is there so dividend 12 and product 12 10 subtract 12 minus 10 comes to be remainder 2 that next number bring 2 and 5 join in there 25 5 table 25 5 again we continue with the 5 table 12 not the 2 times 10 comes so 12 minus 10 subtraction doing the remainder 2 and next place digit to take read as 25 5 table 25 5 times. Again we can continue with the 5 so again continue with the 5. Then here how many times 5 is repeated 1 2 3 4 5 times 5 is repeated. We can express as in this way power notation. I hope you can understand this one. The next one is next was the same model questions only. Same model question, prime factorization method, express the product as a same express as in a power notation case. Some more question, 648. 640. How to find out again prime factorization doing a L shape box 648. You need to place which number 80. 80 is odd or a even number, even number. That's why we can divide it with 2. 2 table 6 3 times. 2 table 4 2 times. 2 table 8 4. Again we want to continue with the prime number 2. What is the reason? You need to place is 4. So 2 table 3 1 time. Then 2 into 1 become 2, dividend 3 and product 2 subtract 3 minus 2 become 1. That 1 and second digit to take 12. 2 table 12 how many times? 6 times. 2 table 4 how many times? 2 times. Again we want to continue. 2 table 16 means 8. 2 table 2 1 time. 2 into 1 become answer 2 come. Again 81. 81 you need to place 1 means it is not possible to divide it with 2. Next prime, which is the next prime number? 3 is the next prime number. 3 table 3 into 27 become 81. Again 3 table when we get to 27 3 into 9 become 27. Again 3 table 9 when 3 is multiplied with 3 answer become 9. Again 3 table dividing time 1. So how what are the bases are there? 1 is 2, another is 3. 2 how many times repeated? 3 times. 3 how many times repeated there? 4 times. So we can express as in this way power notation. Then next another question, second question, same order, second question. For 3600 express as in the power notation. They ask like this. 3600. Again that also draw the L shape box and divided with here you need to place which number? 0. So which number is easy? Prime number 5 is 2 also possible, but 5 is best. 2 also finally coming to prime number 2 also it is coming there. 36 means 7 times 35 is the 36 minus 35 become 1. 1 and 0 joining time 10. 5 table 10 2 times 1 5 table 0 0 times. Again you need to place 0 means 5. 5 table 7 1 time 7 minus 5 become remainder 2. That 2 and second digit to take. 2 and 2 joining time 22. 5 table 22 not there 4 times 20. 22 minus 20 remainder become 2. 2 and next place number joining time 20. 5 table 20 4 times. Again is it possible to continue with the 5? No. That's why telling lastly 2 also will come in the prime number 2 to start. Why? Because unit to place is 4. 4 is an even number. 14 means 7 times 2 table 4 so 2 times. Again continue with the 2. 2 table 7 exactly not the 3 times 6 is there. 7 and 6 subtraction doing time 1 and next number joining at 12. 2 table 12 6 times. Again continue with the divided with the 2. Unit to place is 6. 2 table 3 1 time 3 minus 2 remainder 1 remainder 1 and next digit joining day 16. 2 table 16 8 times. Again continue with the 2. 2 table 18. 2 into 9 become 80. Again 2 table not possible. 3 only. 3 table 3. Then divide and divide. Finally we reach answer as well. Then what are the factors? Here 5 is the factor. Then 5 is how many times repeated there? 5 is the factor. How many times it repeated? 2 times. Next 2 is the factor. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 2 raised to 4. 3 is how many times? 2 times. So answer become 5 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2 is the answer. In this way we can solve this sum. Then next Roman simplify. Simplification question. Fifth Roman says that simplify type question. First question is minus 4 raised to 3. Simplify. That means a minus 4 is how many times a right hand multiply? Here base is minus 4, a base minus 4, how many times a power? Basis of power we are expanding the power is 3. That meaning a base 4 is 3 times multiply. Then multiply and write down the answer. 4 into 4 become how much? 60. 16 fours are how much? 16 fours are 64 coming in. Then how many times minus is repeated there? 3 times. 3 is odd or a even number, a odd number. Odd number case, which answer will coming in? Minus 64 will getting in. That is the meaning of this question. Second question. Minus 3 into minus 2 raised to 3. In this way, next question. That means a minus 3 how many times? Here minus 3 is the base. Power is nothing means their power become how much? 1. That means minus 3 1 time multiply. Into next base is minus 2 is the base. Power is how much? Minus 2 case power is 3. That means minus 2 3 times right and multiply. The next step multiplication. First numbers multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are how much? 24. The negatives are how many times repeated in this question? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times negative sign repeated. 4 means odd or even number. Even case we get a positive answer. In this way we want to solve this sum. One more question. Third question, it given as a minus 2 raised to 3 into minus 10 power 3. Next question, third question. That means in the here what is the base there? Minus 2 is the base. How many time it expanding basis of power? Power is how much? 3 is the power. That means minus 2 is 3 times right and multiply. Next base is minus 10. Here our power is how much? 3 minus 10. How many times right and multiply? 3 times minus 10 right and multiplication. Then next step multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here how many times minus I repeated there? 3 times. 3 is odd or even number. Odd case negative answer. Into 10. How many times repeated there? 3 times. The easy way put don't want to keep multiply just one, keep a total how many zeros? 3 zeros. That 3 zeros right on the right side of the answer. So it will become 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. That means 10 into 10 100. 100 into 10 become 1000. Here how many times negative symbol repeated? 3. 3 is odd or even number, odd number. That's why negative 1000 will come in. Again numbers are coming there. 8 into 1000. Any number multiply with 10 or 100. 0 carry number means same number keep and a total number of zeros right on the right side of the given number. Right side of 8, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are right to them. Here a negative sign, how many times repeated? In this case 2 times. 2 is odd or even number? Even number. That's why answer become 8000 is the answer. I hope you can understand this part. Then next, this also try to learn that laws of exponent. Laws of exponent, 7 rules are there. That rule must and should by heart. Laws of exponent case, a raised to m into a raised to n. That means base are same but powers are different. M and n are the power. That time base right one time, same base means same base right one time, powers are add. In which case? Multiplication case. The second rule says that example means 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5, like this way. See, here also base 2, in here also base 2. So base same means base right one time. What are the power? M and n value 3 and 5. Powers are add. So 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 comes to be how much? 8. So same base right and power 8 right. Don't forget to base right. Without base power not simply right means that answer is not right. So with the base and power add and power exact power right. This rule first. This is the first rule. Second rule. In second rule, laws of exponent, second rule says that division case. This is multiplication. Next division case. A raised to m divided a raised to m, or we can write it as a raised to m by a raised to n. Any form. In fractional form or a division symbol form, always answer is in which way means they have same base. Here also they have same base. Same base means that base right one time powers are subtract m power and n power were subtract division. Example 5 raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 12, 5 raised to 12 in this way. 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 2. So what we want to do, first base right to one time, base is 5, powers are subtracted. Here power, numerator power is 2, subtracted with the denominator power. Denominator power is how much? 12. So 2 minus 12 integers will add. One is positive integer, other is a negative integer. What we want to do, subtract and put a big numbers. So same base right to 5, then powers as 12 minus 2 become 10, which will be 10. 12 is bigger number, that's why minus 10 is the answer. Then this is the second rule, division rule. Third rule says that different bases are there, but power are same. A raised to m into b raised to m. See, base are different. A base, b base. Then power are same only. At that time, bases are multiplied and same power we want. This is the rule. Base are multiplied and same power, right. Example, 2 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 7. See, bases are here, base is 2, here base is 3. But both of them power become same. That time what we want to do, base are equal, different means bases are multiplied. 2 3s are 6 and same power 7 we want to write. 6 raised to 7 is the answer. Next, fourth rule, division case. Division case also different bases coming 10. That means a raised to m divided by b raised to m, but they have same power only. Here base is a, here base is a b, but they have same power. That time bases are divided and same power, right. Base part were divided and same power were right. Example, 5 raised to 2 divided by 25 raised to 2. See, in this way. 5 is the base, denominator base will become 25. Both base are different, but power are same only. That time what we want to do, bases are divide, 5 and 25 are divide, and the same power 2 were right commonly. So division do into 5 table 5 1 day, 5 table 25 5 day. So final answer become 1 by 5 whole power 2 is the answer. In this way we want to express. This is the fourth rule. Fifth rule says that here 2 power case, a raised to m whole power n. 2 powers are coming. At that time, base right, here a is the base, m and n are 2 powers. Base right and powers are multi, m into n means mn. Example, 2 raised to 7 whole power 3, like this way. 2 is the base, 7 and 3 are the powers. So what we want to do, base 2 right, powers are multiplied. 7 3s are how much? 21 is the answer. 2 raised to 21, 2 is the base, 2 power coming, that's why the 2 power are multiplied and right in there. Then sixth rule says that a raised to 0, any number raising with power 0 means always answer become 1. Example, 3 raised to 0, the base is 3, they are raising with power 0, always answer become how much? 1 is the answer. So 4 raised to 0, answer become 5, or 1000 raised to 0, answer become 1. That is the mean. Seventh rule, any negative power coming, a raised to minus 1, or generally we can write a raised to minus n. Negative power case we can write as in the fractional form 1 by a raised to n. That negative sign will remove. Negative power coming time we can express as in form of a fractional form, one fraction we write 1 by this negative number comes to be denominator and negative sign again need not want to put. Example, 5 raised to minus 3. See, 5 raised to minus 3, negative power. Power means how we can express? We can write it as a fraction 1 by 5 raised to, this 5 raised to minus 3 comes to be denominator. Negative sign again need not want to keep 5 raised to 3. That negative sign were removed. 1 by 5 raised to. For another example, 4 raised to minus 3, like there were 4 raised to minus 5. How we can negative power? So how we can express a 1 by 4 raised to minus power minus were removing and you change it to positive 5 will come in. These are the 7 rules related to these rules. Next class problems we can discuss. Thank you.